My name's Peter Locke. I'd worked for Mitchells & Butler for 17 years and was very heavily involved in the branded rollout of their restaurants. We've got a bar downstairs that we only serve over 25s. And then once you go up the stairs, you've got 88 seats upstairs that we try and do at least twice now on a Friday, Saturday night. We always knew from day one that we'd have to reinvest into the business. And one of the things that was paramount was to have an IT system put in which would enable the guest experience to be a lot more speedy, but also to enable the management team to keep on top of the stock every day. So we invested into the Android devices. A local chap came in, we told him exactly what he wanted. He then put it onto the till, put it onto the 2 Androids, and away we went with it. So the way the tablets work is the girls will walk to the guest wherever they're sat in the building. The orders are taken, the food order goes to the kitchen, the girl will check the kitchen, they've got the order and check the order's correct. The drinks order goes straight to the bar drinks are produced, so it's a quick experience to the guests. The other benefit is the bill's getting generated all the time. We've got a lot of guests coming in for coffee, we get a lot of people coming in just for a little business meeting in the morning. Obviously we can offer the Wi-Fi facility to them, which is good, it makes them linger longer. For the social media point of view, whether it be through TripAdvisor or Facebook, you know, it's instant there and then. So, you know, the guests do see that as a benefit. Facebook is important to us. The head butcher at Riga Estate started coming in here with his family for dinner. His employer, Lord Newborough, had seen him checking in here and wanted to know why. Lord Newborough then brought the farm manager down for dinner. The 5 of them then came back for dinner, and then on the back of that we were given the opportunity to sell the organic lamb. Now if that hadn't have happened, we wouldn't be selling it, and it only happened through someone clicking in saying we've checked into the Myddelton for dinner. So if your business is growing and you're wanting to grow your business, just invest into the IT side of the business, because it will enable you to spend so much time on developing other areas of your business, and it'll leave your team enabled and empowered because they've got all the information straight away. They're not looking to you all the time, so that leaves you then time to grow the business. So you should just do it.